The divine praises, in Latin Laudes Divinae, are excellent prayers, especially for the purpose of making reparation to God. And in a world like today's, where blasphemy is so rampant, it's really a beautiful prayer to make when you feel the urge to make reparation to the Sacred and Immaculate Hearts of Jesus and Mary for our sins or for those of others. And if you'd like to learn or pray the original official version of the Church before being translated into other languages, this is the Latin, the Laudes Divinae. Benedictus Deus. Benedictum nomen sanctum eius. Benedictus Iesus Christus, verus Deus et verus homo. Benedictum nomen Iesu. Benedictum cor eius sacratissimum. Benedictus sanguis eius preciosissimus. Benedictus Iesus in sanctissimo altaris sacramento. Benedictus Sanctus Spiritus Paracletus. Benedicta excelsa Mater Christi Maria Sanctissima. Benedicta Sancta eius et Immaculata Conceptio. Benedicta eius gloriosa Assumptio. Benedictum nomen Mariae Virginis et Matris. Benedictus Sanctus Iosef eius castissimus bonsus. Benedictus Deus in angelis suis et in sanctis suis. Amen.